Thomas Alva Edison, known as the Wizard of Menlo Park, is one of the most influential inventors in history. Thomas Edison was born on February 11, 1847 in Milan, Ohio. He was the youngest of 7 children born to Samuel Ogden Edison Jr. and Nancy Matthews Elliott, a schoolteacher. Edison's formal education was brief. He attended school for only a few months. Instead, his mother taught him at home, where his insatiable curiosity led him to devour scientific and technical books. By the age of 12, Edison was selling newspapers and candy on trains running between Port Huron and Detroit, and he set up a small laboratory in a baggage car. At 15, he secured a job as a telegraph operator, which gave him the opportunity to work and experiment with the technology of the time. In 1869, Edison moved to New York City, where he worked to improve the stock ticker, an early device for communicating stock prices. His modifications to the stock ticker impressed his employers and led to his first patent and significant financial success, which enabled Edison to set up a laboratory and manufacturing facility in Newark, New Jersey. In 1876, Edison established a research lab in Menlo Park, New Jersey, which became the world's first industrial research laboratory. The lab at Menlo Park was where Edison made some of his most famous breakthroughs. Edison invented the phonograph in 1877, an incredible device that could record and reproduce sound. The phonograph was the first machine to capture the human voice and led to the development of the recording industry. Perhaps Edison's most famous contribution was the development of the practical incandescent light bulb. By 1879, after numerous experiments with different materials for the filament, Edison and his team succeeded in creating a long-lasting and affordable light bulb. Edison didn't stop at the light bulb. He was determined to create an entire electrical system. In 1882, he established the Pearl Street Station in New York City, the first central power station in the United States. This marked the beginning of the electrical age, as Edison's direct current power system began to light up homes and streets in the city. Despite competition from alternating current systems, Edison's work in electricity set the stage for future innovations in the field. Edison continued to innovate throughout his life. He moved his operations to West Orange, New Jersey in 1887, where he built a larger laboratory complex. Here, he developed improvements in the motion picture camera and created the first motion picture studio. Despite facing numerous challenges and fierce competition, Edison's perseverance and inventive spirit led to over 1,000 patents in his name. Edison's approach to invention, characterized by teamwork and a methodical process of trial and error, became a model for future research and development. Edison once said, "Genius is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration," highlighting the hard work and dedication behind his numerous innovations. Thomas Edison passed away on October 18, 1931, in West Orange, New Jersey. His inventions touched nearly every aspect of modern life, from sound recording to electric power distribution, and had a profound impact on the 20th century.